This is INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this smartphone. So at the start, let's explore available camera modes that we have here and which of those camera modes are actually interesting and useful, starting with a film camera mode, which provides you with a bunch of templates you can choose from to make a short film or a short video in whatever style you fancy, whatever template you select. So let's say I'll go with party. Here it is, 9 seconds. And the way it works, as you can see, it divides the shooting into clips, so you can separately record whatever you want to, and then it will compile them into one complete video, apply effects, whatever effects the template you went for has preset. So just record all those clips one by one, and then save the result, or do not save the result. That is up to you to decide. Then allow video to be processed, and that's the result that you'll get. Or not necessarily identical, just when it comes to editing and effects that will be applied, those are the effects and editing that you will get in the party film mode. So I think if you would like to create a memory or just a tiny clip in a certain with a certain vibe or in a certain style, like vintage, family, street, superstar, beats, sport, you can do that conveniently here. Just record what you fancy and the camera app will do the rest. Now if we'll go into the more section of modes, you'll find the camera pro mode, which allows you to gain almost in complete manual control over the photos you shoot. So while in the pro mode, you can manually set your exposure value, your shutter speed, ISO, white balance, focus, and whatever that is. So if you are either unsatisfied with how camera automatically treats those properties and you would like to get some particular result that cannot be achieved through the automatic means of this app, you can go for the pro mode, or you simply just generally would like to get more manual control over your camera. Pro mode is definitely a way to go. Now you can also, if you didn't know, you can capture 108 megapixel photos. Just enable this icon here to do that. I will now take a picture in the regular photo mode, then enable high res and also take an identical picture, and now we'll go ahead and compare them side by side. So this is the regular photo mode, that's how far I can zoom in, and you can see for yourself how good is the level of details that this photo has. Pretty decent, if you ask me. Now when it comes to high res mode, I will obviously be able to zoom in further, and you can kind of tell that the level of details is better here. So that's very easy to explain, since if we'll go into the photo details here, you'll see that regular photo mode shoots at 3K by 4K resolution, and when it comes to 108 megapixel mode, it provides you with 9K by 13K definition, which is like 3 times as high, I think. So yeah, you can, if you do not mind that those high-res photos take significantly more storage space, so 16 megabytes versus how much? Versus 2.6. If you don't mind this spike in the file size, and you are all about high-res and high-quality pictures, do not forget to enable 108 megapixel mode. Now let's explore interesting options and settings. So here I'll begin by enabling additional shooting methods such as voice shooting and touch shooting. So touch shooting is pretty self-explanatory, just touch anywhere at the viewfinder to capture a photo. So just touch and it should, yep, and it captures a photo. And the voice shutter, you just need to say one of 3, I think, key phrases for it to work. Those are, let me see here. those are capture, shoot, or cheese. So now you can take a photo by saying capture, cheese, capture, shoot. As you can see, it works like a charm. And also another option you may have missed, but I recommend you switch on, is scan QR codes. So once it is enabled, the camera will automatically detect QR codes and process them accordingly. So you will not need to address any third-party QR code scanners or Google Lens perhaps. You can just straight away fire up your default camera app, point the viewfinder at the QR code, and it will be recognized and processed accordingly. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.